In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Autoresponder out of Office in Outlook. Let's start with the classic Outlook desktop app. Open Outlook and head to the File tab in the top left. In the Info section, select Automatic Replies, sometimes labeled Out of Office. In the dialog that opens, choose Send Automatic Replies. To make sure your replies stop on time, check only Send during this time range, then set your start and end dates and times. Next, write your message for inside my organization. This is what colleagues will see, so it's helpful to clearly state your return date and who to contact while you're away. Keep it short and professional. Now switch to the Outside My Organization tab and add a version for people who email you from outside your company. You might keep this one a bit more general and avoid internal details. When you're happy with both messages, click OK or Save to turn it on. If you use Outlook on the web or the new Outlook desktop experience, click the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Choose Mail, then Automatic Replies. Toggle Turn on Automatic Replies. If you know your away dates, check Send Replies only during a time period and set the start and end times so your autoresponder turns on and off automatically. Type your message for people inside your organization with your return date and a backup contact. If you also want to reply to people outside your organization, check Send Replies outside your organization and write a separate message. You can choose only Send to contacts if you prefer to limit replies to people in your address book. While you're here, consider the optional calendar settings. You can block your calendar during the time period so others see you as away, decline new invitations that come in while you're out, and even cancel or decline existing meetings that fall within your absence. These options help set clear expectations and prevent meeting requests from piling up while you're unavailable. When everything looks good, click Save. Thanks for watching.